Students sent home early in the middle of a snowstorm. I'm your Caldwell neighborhood reporter Leslie Solis with local district's decision to cancel some classes and what to expect for school on Friday. After a week of weather alerts forecasting a snowstorm on Thursday, schools in the Treasure Valley initially kept classes in session. However, as conditions worsened by mid-afternoon, Western Treasure Valley school districts decided to release students during the storm. Districts like Wilder, Fruitland, Nampa, Valley View, and Caldwell sent alerts to parents advising them to pick up their students and allowed those with driver's license to leave school grounds. I reached out to the Caldwell School District to ask why they didn't cancel classes following the weather alerts. The response was, "We made the decision based on the information available this morning." When I followed up about why they chose to release students during the storm's peak, they explained the decision to release students early was made when conditions worsened faster than expected, with students and staff safety as our top priority. Meanwhile, districts like Boise and West Ada continued with classes as usual. All districts canceled after-school activities, ensuring students remain indoors and safe. At this time, Caldwell School District has decided to cancel classes for February 14th. There are no other updates from other school districts regarding whether classes will be canceled Friday. Some school districts are still deciding whether to call off classes for Friday. As we get updates, we'll add them to IdahoNews6.com. I'm your Caldwell neighborhood reporter Leslie Solis for Idaho News 6.